Hello and welcome to Apriorit Virtual Disk Driver demonstration. To start, we have already copied and unzipped binaries from our Git and placed them to the root of system disk. First, let's make sure that the operation system does not contain the Apriorit Virtual Disk Driver. As we can see, there is only a Microsoft vendor driver for the enum drivers files, so it is a clear system. So let's install our driver now. We enter our folder. We go to the installation folder, find the .inf file and choose the install option. We see the error. This is a test driver, created for demonstration purposes only, so it is not signed by Microsoft. To be able to install the unsigned driver with Windows 11, we have to load the system with disabled driver signature verification. If we try to install it with enabled driver signature verification, it will not start driver installation. As it is our driver, we can choose the option Install this driver anyway. Operation is completed, and we can go back to command line and start installation. The virtual disk control.exe is our binary that we need to open. And our virtual disk will be named diskimage.bin, and we will place it to the root of system disk. As you see, it is already added and already seen in the Explorer. When we open it, we see it needs to be formatted because it's a new disk. Let's go and format it. We got the very new virtual disk which appeared in the system. Now let's check our drivers in the system just to make sure that everything is okay. Yes, we can locate our driver which is provided by Apriorit. Now let's check our device manager. We choose Scan for hardware changes, and we can see that we have got a new volume, Apriorit Virtual Disk Volume. We will now check how it works and if it is stable. For example, we can create a new text file to understand that we can read from and write to our virtual disk. For example, let's call this file demo. We will now save our data to our disk. As you can see, it is saved. We will now unmount our disk and then remount it to understand that our information is successfully kept in the virtual disk. For the disk unmounting, we use the same command as before, but change Open to Close. The disk completely disappeared as expected. Now we will remount our virtual disk. It appears again. It also contains our demo file and the information which we have put into the file. And that's all we wanted to show you. Thank you and have a good day.